In the VisionWorks Quick Tour, you'll learn about VisionWorks' main features. On the About page, you create the parties to the plan. You can create your clients and their children, grandchildren, parents, nieces, nephews, and so on. Once you've added the parties, a family tree is automatically drawn. When creating a financial plan, the values exercise is optional. When creating a life plan, the values exercise conveys to clients that planning is about what's important to them, not just the numbers. There's also a very practical use. Planning often involves values-based lifestyle trade-offs. There are 20 values. Each has its own slide bar. Note the scale to the left, 0 to 10, not important to very important. On the Entries page, you model a client's current lifestyle circumstances in 4 key areas of life: home, lifestyle, family, and career. You also model their wants, what they'd like to have and do in the future. This is the point of planning, to help clients learn if they're acting effectively to achieve the life that would be satisfying and fulfilling for them. You model your client's financial starting point under tax, portfolio accounts, other, pensions, and insurance. VisionWorks takes a modern life approach to the organization of entries, rather than a traditional menu-driven balance sheet and cash flow-based approach. This organization allows you to switch between the financial planning and life planning interfaces and approaches to working with clients. When you've learned VisionWorks, you may want to take a collaborative and interactive life planning approach with clients. You can create entries by using the entry menu. When you're first learning VisionWorks, the entry menu will help you easily locate entries. You can create entries by using the visual button palette. To create an entry, you drag and drop its button onto the tree view. Once you've created an entry, you select it in the tree view and quantify it. You enter its cost, when clients would like to have or do something, and how an entry might change over time. For example, clients might take winter vacations now. When they retire, they expect to spend more time away. You can end entries. For example, assuming that expenses will continue until life expectancy can substantially overstate capital accumulation needs. If you wish, you don't need to be overly detailed when modeling expenses. Instead, you can use the Lifestyle General Expenses entry. You'd only model specific expenses that are important to clients, such as their children's education costs. Let's see how VisionWorks models investment portfolios. With VisionWorks, and at no additional cost, is the Portfolio Builder software. All portfolios have identical characteristics, whether they're non-registered, TFSA, RRSP, or DCP portfolios. You can create basic portfolios, separately managed accounts, SMAs, take an asset allocation approach, or model detailed, that is, specific holdings. You set up portfolios in Portfolio Builder and import them into VisionWorks. You don't need to use Portfolio Builder. If you wish, you can add specific holdings to a portfolio, such as equities, mutual funds, corporate class shares, or ETFs. Also, you can import portfolios from OneBoss, Univeris, and WinFund. On the Will page, you enter the terms of a client's will. If a client doesn't have a will, VisionWorks applies provincial or territory intestacy laws. But if a client has a will, you can model its terms. Wills are important because they're the cornerstone of proper estate planning. If you want to attract high net worth clients, you have to distinguish yourself in the marketplace. Because high net worth clients have substantial assets, they often have estate issues. Helping them uncover and resolve their estate gap is a value add that few other advisors can offer. There's another reason that modeling wills is important: the current very high divorce rate. Many clients want to leave assets, such as the family cottage, to children from a previous marriage. Let's jump ahead and look at the implications for the estate. Because of capital gains taxes, leaving assets to children from a previous marriage can have a major impact on the financial circumstances of the surviving partner. As this example clearly demonstrates, if the financial terms of a will aren't integrated into the financial forecast, a plan can be very misleading. Let's learn about solutions. You can think of the solutions features as your planner workbench. The solutions page is the point of the planning process, to uncover and resolve any gaps. Clients may have 3 gaps: a financial, estate, and insurance gap. Let's learn about the financial gap. VisionWorks displays 3 financial indicators: net worth, income assets, and net cash flow. Output can be displayed graphically, or it can be displayed in a spreadsheet format. You can expand the spreadsheet so that it fills your screen. VisionWorks displays a pro forma T1 tax return for each year of the plan, including by province or territory. In a single file, you can create an unlimited number of what-if scenarios, or solutions as they're called in VisionWorks. In a solution, you can change entries or add new ones. When you make a change, the graphical output visually displays the long-term implications of that change. Based on the new financial forecast, clients make the most informed decisions possible. To help clients make informed decisions, on the Compare tab you can compare the financial forecast for any 2 solutions. On the Tactics tab there are several sub-tabs. For example, on the Retirement sub-tab you can change the CPP-QPP start age, split CPP-QPP benefits, and split pension income amount income. The other tabs allow you to apply additional financial planning tactics. On the Allocation tab, you can change the allocation of portfolios over time. For example, clients might be growth-oriented now, but might prefer a more conservative allocation during their retirement years. Modeling new allocations is very fast and easy to do. You simply select a different portfolio that you set up in Portfolio Builder. On the Estate tab, you uncover any estate gap. We looked at the Estate tab when we talked about wills. Often, when clients have estate issues, their only solution is permanent insurance. When the terms of a will aren't integrated into a plan, advisors can miss significant sales opportunities. Once you've helped clients resolve their financial and estate gaps, they've created their plan. Next, you uncover their insurance gaps. Insurance protects their plan. On the Insurance tab, you can analyze clients' life, disability, critical illness, and long-term care insurance needs. Let's learn about VisionWorks output. On the To Do by Year tab, you create a personalized to-do list for clients. It's the focal point of the planning process. Planning is of no value unless it results in action. On the Report tab, you create the written plan. The report is made up of sections and subsections. You select those that are appropriate for your client. The report can be as long or as short as you wish. You can change the order of the sections and add your own. You can save selected sections and subsections as templates. For example, you might prefer certain output for a working couple and different output for a retired couple. You can easily create plans by loading the template that's appropriate for a client's profile. You have complete text entry control, including colors, font, and point size. VisionWorks is the premier personal planning software in Canada.